A water break, Snuppy? I see you've been hauling socks and things out. Oh. Hi, Basil. Get him, fellas. You get him. That's it, sit on him. Sit on him. He's a nasty one. Get him, fellas. Get him. Get him, fellas. Go get him, fellas. You get him. Oh, a little break to sniff him. Where you been? You get him, Basil. You gonna get him? Huh? Big dork. Get him, fellas. Get him. Get him. Beat him up. Beat him up. What are you doing? Get him, Basil. Get that puppy. Get that puppy, you big dork. Hey, get off the kitchen table. Cats aren't allowed on the kitchen table here. Oh, you like that file box, don't you? That's your favorite file box? Yes, it is. Okay, you guys are boring now, so we'll shut this off.